Hello. Welcome back. Today, we have a simple goal. We want to stop translating and start thinking in English. Is it hard? No. Is it possible? Yes. Let's learn how. Many students learn grammar. They learn many words. But when they speak, they wait. Why? Because they translate in their heads. They think in their first language, then change it to English. This is too slow. How to fix this? Start with your inner voice. This is the voice inside your head. When you wake up, don't say it in your native language. Say, I am hungry. When you see the sun, say, the sun is bright. It is simple, but it changes everything. Surround yourself with English. It's easy. Change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English. Listen to simple English songs. You don't need to move to London. You can live in English right here. In English, simple is better. Don't try to say big, difficult sentences. Don't say, I feel a great amount of exhaustion. Just say, I'm very tired. Short sentences are the secret to thinking fast. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Your thoughts are private. No one can hear you. Your brain is like a gym. You need to practice every day to become strong. Making mistakes is how you learn. Thinking in English is a habit. Start today. Start small. One day you will wake up and realize, wow, I am thinking in English. That is the moment of true freedom. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and keep thinking in English.